Most people think the YouTube algorithm is this mysterious thing you can't control. They just upload videos and pray YouTube picks them up. And when it doesn't happen, they blame the algorithm. But here's what most people don't realize. The algorithm isn't against you. It just needs to understand what your video is about so it knows who to show it to. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Keoo AI to tell YouTube's algorithm what your video is about in a way it actually understands. If you haven't subscribed, do well to subscribe, like, and drop a comment. So here's what most people get wrong. They think if they just make a good video, YouTube will automatically promote it. But YouTube has millions of videos uploaded every day. It needs clear signals to know what your video is about and who wants to watch it. That's where optimization comes in. And I'm not talking about spending hours on this. I'm talking about 2 minutes using the right tool. Go to Keoo AI. The link is in the description. Once you're in, click on YouTube Tools on the left. You'll see the YouTube Content Assistant page. There's a box at the top that says Paste YouTube Video URL, Title, or Idea. Now let's say you just finished editing a video about how to start a side hustle with no money. You're ready to upload it, but before you do, you're going to optimize it real quick. Type side hustle in that box and click Analyze Video. This is where Keoo AI basically does the work for you. So the first thing you'll see is the optimized title suggestions. It gives you multiple options to choose from. And here's the thing, these optimized titles are built to work with YouTube's search algorithm. They're also designed to actually get people to click your video. They're hitting on a specific problem someone's searching for and basically promising them a solution. So you can just pick one of these straight up, or use them as a starting point and tweak it to make it your own. Either way works. The point is, you end up with a title that YouTube's algorithm can actually understand and rank, while also being something that real people see and think, yeah, I need to watch this. Scroll down and you'll see a full video description already written for you. It's not some generic "in this video" nonsense. It's engaging, includes your keywords naturally, and explains exactly what the viewer will get. Copy that description and paste it into your YouTube upload. Done. But here's where it gets really good. You'll see keyword insights showing you related keywords like make money, hustle, side hustle ideas. These are real searches people are making. Use these keywords throughout your description. Add them as tags. Even better, use them as ideas for future videos because you know people are searching for them. Then there's hashtag suggestions. You'll get hashtags like hashtag side hustle, hashtag side gig, hashtag entrepreneurship, hashtag make money online. Add these to your description. YouTube shows the first 3 above your video title, so pick the best ones. And at the bottom, there's a thumbnail generator that creates a thumbnail for you. So in 2 minutes, you've got an optimized title, full description, keywords, hashtags, and a thumbnail. Everything YouTube needs to understand your video and recommend it to the right people. But let me show you the other tool that makes this even more powerful. Click on Keyword Insights at the sidebar. Then type in your main topic. Let's use make money online and hit search. Now you'll see a list of keywords with all the data you need. Search volume, competition level, competition index, trend percentage, and word count. Okay, so what you're trying to find here are keywords that actually get searched a lot, but aren't impossible to rank for. That's basically the whole game. Look at this one, online surveys for money. 49.5K people search for that every month. Competition is low, and the index is sitting at 19. That's perfect. Plus it's trending up by 7.4%. So even more people are looking for it now. That's the kind of keyword you actually have a shot with. Now compare that to make money online. It has 90.5 thousand searches, but the competition, high, and the index is 79. There's like a million videos already ranking for it. Unless you've got a huge channel already, you're basically invisible. Same deal with ways to make money online. It has 40.5 thousand searches, but the competition index is 84, which is still pretty brutal to rank for. Here's what I'm saying. Don't just look at the search volume and get excited. You have to check if you can actually compete for it. Like ways to make money from home has 27.1 thousand searches, but competition is at 85. It's a bit more specific than just make money online, but still tough. Best ways to make money online has 14.8 thousand searches. Competition is at 80. At least when someone searches best, they're being more specific about what they want, but you're still fighting a ton of other creators. Make money online fast has 18.1 thousand searches. Competition is 83. People want quick answers, but again, super crowded space. But real talk, you want keywords with at least 40,000 searches minimum. Otherwise, you're putting in all this work for like a handful of views, which is not worth it. And watch that trend column closely. Anything going up double digits means people are getting more interested in that topic right now. Those are gold if you can get to them first. And about the competition index, anything under 50, you've got a decent chance. 50 to 70, it's gonna take some effort, but above 80, you're going to struggle unless your channel is already doing well. So just scroll through, pick out maybe 3 to 5 good ones, 40,000 plus searches, competition that's not insane, positive trend if you can find it. Put your main keyword in the title and right at the beginning of your description. Then just naturally mention the other keywords in your description and throw them all in your tags. That's literally it. That's how YouTube figures out what your video is about and starts showing it to people actually searching for stuffs related to it. Here's the thing though, this isn't just about search. When YouTube understands your video, it can recommend it to people who watch similar content. That's where the real views come from. If your video is about side hustles, but you didn't optimize it, YouTube might not know that. It might show it to random people who aren't interested. And when they don't click or watch, YouTube thinks your video isn't good and stops promoting it. But when you optimize it properly, YouTube knows exactly who to show it to. It recommends your video to people who are already watching side hustle content. Those people will click and watch because it's relevant to them. And when that happens, YouTube keeps promoting your video to more people. That's the hack. You're not gaming the system, you're just speaking YouTube's language so it knows what to do with your video. Do this for every video before you upload it. It takes 2 minutes. Paste your video idea into the video analyzer, grab the optimized title and description. Check the Keyword Insights tool for related keywords. Add everything to your upload, and you're done. Your video is now set up to get recommended instead of just sitting there. One more thing, consistency matters. If you do this for one video, you might see some improvement. But if you do this for every video, YouTube starts understanding your channel as a whole. It knows your niche, it knows your audience, and it gets better at recommending all your content. So make this part of your upload process. It's the difference between hoping YouTube picks up your video and actually giving YouTube what it needs to promote your video. The link to Keoo AI is in the description of this video. Try it on your next video and see the difference. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe, like, and drop a comment. I've got more YouTube growth tips coming, and check out the next video on the screen.